Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this video, we're sharing 7 easy techniques for painting realistic snow in acrylic using clips pulled from real winter landscape tutorials. If snow has ever felt tricky or frustrating to paint, this lesson will help you see how small, simple adjustments can make a big difference. Let's begin. Technique 1. Use white sparingly. One of the most common mistakes beginners make is covering everything in pure white. Snow looks brightest when it's layered over darker colors and used with restraint. Leaving bits of darker underpainting showing creates contrast and realism. Technique 2. Paint snow last. Snow almost always works best when it's added toward the end of the painting process. By building your background first, sky, mountains, trees, you give the snow something to sit on rather than flattening the scene early. Technique 3. Skip black for snow shadows. Snow shadows should feel soft, not muddy. Instead of black paint, use small amounts of blue or gray mixed with white to create gentle shadow areas that still feel clean and light. Technique 4. Let snow reflect the sky. Snow naturally reflects the colors around it. Cool skies create cooler snow shadows, while warm light can give snow a subtle glow. Paying attention to this connection helps your scene feel cohesive. Technique 5. Layer for depth. Snow becomes more believable when it's layered gradually. Start with soft base shapes, then add highlights and texture in stages rather than all at once. Technique 6. Use dry brushing for texture. Dry brushing is an easy way to suggest snow texture without overworking your painting. Use light pressure and stop early. Just a few strokes can be enough. Technique 7. Add final highlights gently. Final snow highlights should be the lightest touch. These small details help snow feel fresh and dimensional without overpowering the rest of the painting. Snow painting doesn't need to be complicated or perfect. With a few thoughtful choices, you can create winter scenes that feel soft, bright, and peaceful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more easy, relaxing painting lessons every week. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone. You're always welcome to explore our free challenges and our full Paint Your Own Happiness program at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses.